Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shahir Al Sadat, a 15-year-old change maker from Bangladesh. I founded the Startup IO at 13, and now Startup IO company has earned over 7 lakhs Bangladeshi taka in last 5 months. And all proceed spent by us to ensure children's rights, though Startup Cyber, Gulfstream Kids Helping, and the Startup IO company channeling all of its profits towards child rights. And I was inspired by our Honorable Deputy Commissioner Sir, Mr. MD Shamim Hassan Sir. And inspired by him, I was founded Startup Cyber, Kids Helping, and TeenX mobile application. An incident during Bengali School Debate Competition 2023 driving force for me to be an advocate for children's rights. In the incident, me, the leader of my school debate team, was silenced and harassed by a huge number of audience when they laughing at me just only for using my English word so in that Bengali competition. The Startup IO company arranged 157 seminars in bullying and harassment, though the non-profit organizations, including us, Startup Cyber, Kids Helping, TeenX, and Cast itself. And right now, we have solved 13 girls cases and also 57 bullying cases. And I believe that by protecting our child from bullying, harassment, and crimes, we are not only secure them today, but also we can shaping a beautiful future for them. And so, thank you so much, everyone, and please pray for us.
By Startup Cyber. An incident during school Bengali debate competition 2022 to 2023 act as driving force for Sadat's decision to be an advocate for child's rights. In the incident, Sadat, the leader of his team,
আমি জাস্ট এই জেলায় জয়েন করার কিছুদিন পরেই সাদাটা এসেছিল এবং আমাকে বলে সমস্যা ছেলে আসার পরে আমাকে বলে স্যার আমি এটা করতে চাই দেখি বোঝা যায় না ওর ভিতরে মানে একটা আলো কাজ করে যে কিছু করার তো এটা আমি তো ধরতে পারি অবশ্যই পারবো তো আমি ওর আইডিয়াটা শোনার পরে আমার মনে হলো খুবই ভালো একটি আইডিয়া